Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your rear turn signal bulb. This is a straightforward task that you can easily do yourself, saving you around $50 to $100 in labor costs. You will need a flathead screwdriver or a trim removal tool and a new 3157 bulb. Always make sure to have the correct bulb type on hand before you begin this quick repair. First, open your vehicle's rear liftgate to access the tail light area. You will see two plastic retaining clips on the inner edge of the tail light housing. Use a small flathead screwdriver or a trim tool to carefully pry out the center pins of these clips, then remove the entire clips. Once both clips are out, grasp the tail light assembly firmly and pull it straight back to disengage it from the vehicle body. With the tail light assembly removed, locate the turn signal bulb socket. This is typically the top socket and often uses a 3157 bulb. Twist the socket approximately 1/4 turn counterclockwise to unlock it from the housing, then pull it out. Gently pull the old bulb straight out of the socket. Insert the new 3157 bulb into the socket, being careful not to touch the glass with your bare hands, as oils can shorten its lifespan. Now, reinsert the bulb socket into the tail light assembly, twisting it clockwise about 1/4 turn until it locks securely in place. Before fully reassembling, test the new turn signal to ensure it functions correctly. Once confirmed, align the tail light assembly with its mounting pins and push it firmly straight forward until it clicks into position. Finally, reinsert the two retaining clips and push their center pins in to lock them, securing the tail light.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.